Hello guys, welcome back to Mike Ventures Africa. I want to wish you a new year with blessings from God, good health, happiness, you know. So guys, if it's your first time crossing my channel, consider by subscribing, like, share, and comment. You know, it has been a while without vlogging, so I'm back a little bit, and I hope you will still watch Mike Ventures and you will still share my link and support me, guys. So last year was really not good for me, guys. To be honest, I felt very sad for so many things, with my life, with my health, with my eyes problems, and with all that I've been doing towards supporting the community. You know, I just, came to realize that some people, when they see you progressing or when they see you having a lot of support, they try to bring you down, of which this is really not good. So last year I had so many problems, not a lot, not all, but I also had some good moments. But I wonder why, when we are here to support and to help the community, and also to find ways on how we can also help our families, but other people are still they're still not happy for our progress. And I know this year a lot will change. And we will support each other, and we will love each other, guys. So today's as the year has started, I just want to finish with the two projects that I'm going to speak about, so that people will have a clear picture on these two projects. So one project is I'm going to speak about Sir Edward's project, and the second project I'm going to speak about the poultry project, guys, so that this year people will have the clear mind that when I will start with the new projects, they should not ask for the last year's project, because I saw some of the subscribers are asking about Sir Edward's project, are asking about the poultry project. So just to be realistic, is it's almost 1 year. It's 1 year without hearing from Sir Edward. I'm not in contact with Sir Edward. And me and Fellow the Boy, we are really good. We have no problem. In fact, we set together, me and Fellow the Boy and Zach Discovery, and because the lawyer was sent to come and see the project, and also to come and meet me. But I told the lawyer that this project was started by Fellow the Boy. Fellow the Boy is the one who knows more about this about this Sir Edward's project. So Mike Venture was there as a caretaker, of which it's almost 1 year without hearing from Sir Edward. So I will not talk much about Sir Edward's project. So it's between Sir Edward and Fellow the Boy. So that's I'm not involved in Sir Edward's project. Even the keys are with Fellow the Boy, because at the end, and this is the truth, at the end, I don't know much about this project. So I wanna say to Sir Edward, just if you were watching this video, or if you started a project here in Kenya, Nyabohanse, it's very easy for you to come and sit down with the Fellow the Boy and Zach Discovery, so that you can find a good way or a solution for your project. Because here in the village, or people are watching us, they think sometimes maybe I'm the one who took that your project. But in real sense, I did not took your project. You just signed me to take care of the project. But it has been so many months. It's almost a year without getting in touch, without communicating with Sir Edward. Me and Fellow the Boy, we are really good guys, and I'm not interested anymore with that. I'm not interested with that project. It's just Fellow the Boy and Sir Edward, they have to find a solution. Second, the poultry project. The poultry project, in fact, guys, this is the project that gave me a lot of stress. And that's why I was not doing content, because I had a lot of problem with my family. You know, dedicating and working in a farm for 182 days, getting sick on that project. And then the chicken started dying, and I was told to stop and hand over the document to another person. You know, as I was like working there for free. You know, I dedicated my time on that project, and I could not do other project because I know that project, as agreed, 60% to 40% will be shared among the two people, among me and the partners. But now I end up walking from that project. They sold the chicken. They gave the chicken to the community, but the person who worked there, they never compensated me. So I had a lot of problem, because when I was working there, even we had to take a credit so that we can run our business. Because sometimes I had to come and take some funds from my wife's shop and use it to use it, because I did not have a job. My job was to take care of the chicken, the farm. So I knew that this job is going to benefit me, and it will help also my family. You know, like I have 2 kids, and I need there's some needs that they want. So working for 182 days for free really affected me a lot. I wish, you know, like I wish I could do other things, you know, like find other thing that can keep me busy and give me the income. So last 2 days ago, I called the partners and I told them that this year, if they still want to sign another person to work on that project, because the project is there. It's only that no any activity that is going on. And I told them, let's sit together, put things on the table. They compensate me, whether we can discuss on the amount they want to pay me. Then I'm ready to hand over the document. I don't want this again to be a drama for this year. So I wrote them, I sent them a voice message, and I'm still waiting them for their response. But I also told them this year they cannot do any project there without them compensating me, because I worked. And this it's one of the projects that affected me a lot when I was working and I was told to stop. So let them sit down and let's talk about it, and I will be ready to compensate them. So I will not have much to talk, because still I'm still recovering from last year, and I hope God will bless me. And keep watching Mike Ventures. So the 2 projects, I have no problem with the 2 projects. Let them find, especially for the chicken project, let them find, let's sit and talk, and let's work and let's support each other. Another thing that made me so sad, it's there was a subscriber who really wanted me to go back to Spain for my surgery. There is also subscribers who helped me with some funds, but it was not enough for me to pay my traveling expenses. So a subscriber told me that, Mike, I wish I could help you to get all the funds, but what I will do, I will organize a GoFundMe so that people to contribute on that platform. She did the GoFundMe. The link was shared. So immediately when the link was shared, there are some people that we don't know started writing to the company that Mike is not sick. Mike just wants money. And this is not true. People knows that I have this problem. Why do you block someone's opportunity? And this was not funds to buy something. This was fund to cater for the medical expenses. So they went on and blocked and wrote bad about me. So the link was closed. This was the first time the link was closed. Then the person who was in charge for this link, that I think the organization, sent a message to a friend that was organizing the GoFundMe that they have received a lot of message blocking me not to get this GoFundMe to get run, and it went. They had to close it, guys. So you see, last year I was supposed to go to the hospital, but the GoFundMe was blocked. Was blocked with the people, with unknown people. Do you think what those people did is the right thing? Because today you're blocking my opportunity, and tomorrow you having a problem and still you'll ask people to help you. So this made me so sad, and I'm just really grateful for the person who wanted to make a GoFundMe. And I believe that still I will find people will still support me. People who are willing to support me will still support me. It's only the few people who got that jealous when the other people want to get support, they don't want. They're blocking them not to get the support. So we should not be like these guys. And health is very, 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 very important. Today you will speak bad on my health. Tomorrow you will be striked with the big problem. So you never know where you will have problem when you speak bad on others people's, especially on health. So I just want to say that my organic audience, you've been really supporting me so much, and I want to give a shout out to one also of the subscriber who really also who supported me this year to pay for our needs, and I really appreciate so much. You know, every little make a difference, guys. So keep watching Mike Ventures, and may God bless you. See you for the next video. Bye.